Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Lemor. I am Vice President of OSM. I want to take a moment to say thank you for having spent the last 2 days with us at this wonderful event that we have twice a year called Pizza, Bugs, and Fun, where we translate, we work on documentation, we test PRs, we fix some code, all together around a pretty good theme of pizza. Obviously, this is a very important event. It happens twice a year in January and in August. It helps the release managers prepare a stable release as we are on a planned release cycle. And it's a great way to meet the community. It's an easy way to engage with Joomla. It's fun. You meet great people, hopefully people you'll keep in touch with on Mattermost. For those who enjoyed the event particularly, please know that you can join the PR testing group and do testing and documentation as well throughout the year. We have sessions for testing every Friday and sometimes on weekends. And for documentation, we definitely could use your help. So now I'm going to take a moment to thank our sponsors, without which this is not possible. Our hosting sponsor is Roshan, and they do an awesome job for us throughout the year, and they are always by our side. So thank you very much. Check them out if you are in need of hosting. I want to thank our individual sponsors for this event. We have 2 levels for sponsoring PBF. The Bug Annihilator and Documentation Architect level, which this time Security Check Extensions is our sponsor at that level. Thank you very much. And at our Bug Buster and Documentation Helper level, we have Joomla Geek. Without both of them, as well as Roshan, events like this are much more difficult to make happen or impossible. So thank you so much for contributing to the community and helping us make this a great event. As for everyone who participated that is not a sponsor, I can think of people like Olivier, Benjamin, Cyril, and many others. Thank you very much for being behind the scenes and making it all possible. As for those who attended, I hope you had some fun, you met some new people, and that you'll continue with us on Mattermost and be here throughout the year to lend your precious help to the project. Joomla is a wonderful project that's been around for 20 years, and it cannot happen without you. Thank you so much. Have a great time and a great rest of your day, and see you soon.